This is the installation video for the Compag disassembled feed accelerator kit. First step is to lower the feeder house to maximum stroke for full access to the feed accelerator and remove metal panels from above the beater. Once access panels have been removed, begin disassembly of OEM feed accelerator crossbars. Now is a good time to clean the drums and feed accelerator shaft. If you have damage to the drums, refer back to the manual for rethreading procedures. Otherwise, continue to installation of the first panel. Select the panel that contains 4 rows of holes, making sure to position the panel on the same side as the key slot. When installing the first panel, tighten 2 countersunk screws into the smaller aligned holes. Thread the rest of the screws of the panel without tightening, leaving a small gap. Final tightening will be done only after you have all the panels assembled. Now, loosen the first 2 screws to allow for fine adjustment when installing the last 2 panels. Now we are going to install the side seals. Insert the larger part of the side seal and rotate so the opening is facing forward. Finish assembling the seal with a smaller panel. Check the fit and repeat the procedure on the other side. Attach the side seal to the first panel with the provided Phillips headed screws. Before assembling the other panels, apply the provided sealant to the seams. Never apply it after it has been assembled. After sealant is applied, assemble the second cover with loosely fitted bolts. Repeat the process for the third panel. With the sealant applied and the panels in place, we begin the tightening procedure. Start with the panel with the 4 rows of holes, applying 53 foot-pounds of torque to each bolt. Be sure to start from the center and work your way out. Repeat this process for the remaining 2 panels. Finish mounting the rest of the Phillips headed screws to the side seals. Now we begin mounting the flighting. Mount the smooth flighting on the ends using the bolts and nuts, applying 88 foot-pounds of torque. Use a marker to identify properly tightened bolts. Mount the notch flighting in the center part of the feed accelerator using the bolts and nuts, applying 88 foot-pounds of torque. Finally, check all bolts to avoid loose components. If you have any installation questions, feel free to call us at 800-934-9777.